Don't touch. Hey, you lose your hand, man.
Yeah, yeah. It's okay. Just,
Hey, don't worry about it. Just leave the cable alone.
okay.
You get yourself seriously hurt. I appreciate you trying to help, but safety first, eh?
Okay, yeah.
Never touch a spinning cable.
So very strong.
Oh, yeah.
It's strong.
And I wasn't even holding it down with a lot of pressure.
Well, how many horsepower is this motor?
Well, honestly, I don't know. All I know is it will seriously hurt you. It's a big machine. This thing goes through everything. Tree roots, you name it. Well, hopefully it'll be a slow weekend, like you said, eh?
Yeah.
See what happens.
No more call this weekend.
Well, I don't mind. You don't go on every other weekend, right?
Yeah.
Every other?
Every second.
Every second.
Yeah.
Well, it's not bad.
How about every week?
Every other week.
Oh.
Yeah. So, Jay's off today, and then I go back on holidays next Friday. I'm off again for the weekend. So, how it goes. Yeah, we just leave those caps there loose because it's easy to get into. Bolt rust, eh?
Good.
Yeah. Okay. Good.
Yeah, I will do this.
All right, my friend.
This is your...
That's it. Thank you. Okay. Have a good weekend.
Yeah, same day, buddy.
All right. All right. Bye.
Yeah, thank you, thank you.
Thank you.